Why, that run, Popeye. He ain't getting all of this time.
I was here first, you big Bluto.
Boys! Stop that leak!
I'll fix it, Olive.
Not so fast, runt. There you are, doll face.
Oh, thanks. You fixed it good, Bluto. Oh, Papa, you're wonderful.
Popeye, you did a great job. I know when I'm licked. So, away I go.
You know, Olive, he ain't such a bad guy.
That sap certainly fell for that line.
By a waterfall, I'm calling you, ho-ho-ho. We can share it all beneath a ceiling of blue. We'll spend a heavenly day here where the whispering waters play. Wow, another leak. Oh my gosh! And the cellar needs fixing. Huh? Hey, Olive, here's the droop that's been causing the drips.
Popeye, look!
I'll save you, Olive.
Oh, no, you don't.
Don't you come near me, you floor flusher! Help! Popeye! Help!
listen and stop